On Sunday, the United States military confirmed that it conducted strikes in Yemen targeting 5 missiles, including 1 for land attacks and 4 designed for ship targeting. Central Command, that is CENTCOM, stated on social media that these strikes were carried out in self-defense against Houthi-controlled areas in Yemen, where the missiles posed an imminent threat to US Navy ships and merchant vessels in the Red Sea. This action follows a series of joint air raids by US and UK forces against Houthi rebels, marking the third round of military response to the group's persistent attacks on shipping. The conflict intensified a month after the Israel-Hamas war began in October of the previous year. National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan announced the intention to launch further strikes against Iran-backed groups in the Middle East. Sullivan emphasized the message that the US will respond to attacks on its forces and people. These ongoing strikes contribute to the complex situation arising from the Israel-Hamas war, where Iran-backed groups like Hezbollah, Houthis and Iraqi militias have become involved, supporting Palestinians in various ways. Hezbollah has targeted Israeli positions at the Lebanese-Israeli border, Iraqi militias have engaged US forces in Iraq and Syria, and the Houthis have attacked shipping in the Red Sea and even targeted Israel directly. Simultaneously, US Secretary of State Antony Blinken embarked on his 5th trip to the Middle East in an effort to secure a new truce in the Israel-Hamas conflict. His itinerary includes visits to Saudi Arabia, Israel, Egypt and Qatar. Ahead of the trip, Blinken stressed the urgency of addressing humanitarian needs in Gaza, considering the devastating impact on the territory during nearly 5 months of war. Anger over Israel's devastating campaign in Gaza, which began after an unprecedented Hamas attack on October 7, has grown across the Middle East, stoking violence involving Iran-backed groups in Lebanon, Iraq, Syria and Yemen. On January 28, a drone slammed into a base in Jordan, killing 3 US soldiers and wounding more than 50, an attack Washington blamed on Iran-backed forces. The US responded Friday with a series of unilateral strikes on Iran-linked targets in Syria and Iraq.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.